Hello everybody, I'm back again in the shack. Did some work on my Antron 99 antenna. Got my DMR radio going, a little bit of traffic on Worldwide Prime Master. So, we'll talk about what I did with my Antron. I fixed it.
This is Alpha Juliet 6, X-ray Echo, listening for contact.
So the Antron came down a year ago in a storm and broke it. Don't know what you can see on the camera, but the Antron is 3 sections of fiberglass, 17 feet total in length with 3 sections. Came down on top of the house and broke the top section, splintered it. It makes this contact through the copper wire going through it. So I taped it all the way up with electrical tape, put a splint on it, try to move it around so it'll be seen on the camera. Took something here, I don't remember what. Made a splint, taped it up. Talked to New Orleans, Minnesota, Florida, with it as it is, but I never liked that. Finally, I got someone to help me today lay it down and stand it back up. 71 inches is the top section of the Antron. I took a steel whip antenna, 102-inch steel whip, cut it down to 71 inches, unscrewed this 3/8 thread, 3/8 same as the steel whip, took the 71-inch section of the broken fiberglass off and replaced it with 71 inches of the steel whip. I took a hacksaw in a vise, cut the steel whip down to 71 inches and replaced it. I think that'll work good for the 10-meter antitone. With my antenna switches, I switch these antennas around to all these different radios. Antron will run the 10-meter antitone and any of these 11-meter CBs. 3 Cobra 29 Classics, 29 LTD Chrome, 29 LTD Sound Tracker, and their basic 29 LTD Classic plain radio. And the Linko all band has its own wire dipole up in a Hornet tree. Yaesu 2900 per 2 meter has a copper J-pole. Flip the antenna switch and use the TYT MD380 on the J-pole, which is VHF and UHF. So now I have the antenna switch away from the Yaesu 2 meter over to the Worldwide, and I'll try to make a contact. But that's an update. In the shack, fixed my Antron, took that broken top section of 71 inches off and replaced it with a solid piece of steel whip antenna.
Whiskey 2, Whiskey Alpha Charlie.
Got me another shelf put up today. Picked up a Cobra 25 LTD Classic with talkback. It works great. Nothing wrong with it. A vintage Cobra 29, 23 channel only, but it works. Nobody cares about something like that, but it is a vintage Cobra 19. They sell a Cobra 19 newer version today, which ain't so great. That's a vintage 23 channel Cobra 19. Yaesu 2800, I believe, has a problem with the menu settings. Picked up the Royce 23 channel and a Cobra 29, not a classic, but original Cobra 29, 23 channel. Haven't checked these two out yet, but see if we can make a worldwide contact on DMR, digital mobile radio.
Marine Corps flight suit with wings. Is it Navy or Marine Corps? Retired Marine. Spent 20 years in Marine aviation. Back to you. Hey, Roger, Kilo Alpha 5 Hotel. Oh, that's right. And next time my nephew is going for the same thing. I have to press some pictures, because I have a lot of pictures with my family, you know.
So anyway, that's just the update in my shack. I want to make a contact, but I don't want to interrupt them talking. And hopefully my Antron will work pretty good. I'll try to make some contacts on 10 meter. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with something else.